Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Target RedCard alerts for budget control workflows. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Target RedCard alerts for budget control workflows, follow these steps. First, log into your Target RedCard account. Navigate to the Account Settings section. Look for the Alerts and Notifications option. Click on Alerts to access the configuration settings. You will see various types of alerts available. Select the Budget Alerts option. Next, choose the spending limit you want to set for notifications. Enter your desired budget amount in the field provided. Decide how you want to receive alerts, such as via email or text message. Make sure to enter the correct contact information for alert delivery. Review your selections to ensure everything is accurate. Then, save your changes to activate the alerts. You may also want to set additional alerts for different spending categories. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the alert frequency options. Choose how often you wish to receive updates regarding your spending. After finishing your selections, confirm them to finalize the setup. You should now see a confirmation message indicating that your alerts are active. Monitor your email or messages for notifications about your spending. Regularly review your budget control settings for any needed adjustments. Congratulations, you have successfully configured your Target RedCard alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.